With the help of snow chains, you can move forward even if the tire tread fails. Snow chains are always mounted on the drive axle. To assemble, take the chain in both hands and place over the tire. Connect the clasp on the back of the tire. Pull the chain net from the front as tightly as possible and place it around the tire. Grasp the red part of the chain by the red hook and also pull it as tightly as possible in the opposite direction. Guide the tension chain along the other red hook. Attach the end hook between the yellow and blue chain. The vehicle must now be moved 30 to 40 centimeters forwards or backwards. Then check if the chain is tightly closed around the wheel. If a hand should fit between them, tighten the chain again. Repeat the complete process of starting and tightening until you are sure that the chain is tight around the tire. After a short drive, check whether the chain needs to be tightened again. The locking mechanism can vary from chain to chain. The maximum speed allowed for snow chains is 50 kilometers per hour. For further information on the use of snow chains, please refer to the operating manual.